So this May, local libraries and other venues across the district are joined together to deliver an extra special WordFest. This year, WordFest is part of our year, celebrating words in their wildest sense and with a huge range of exciting events and activities for all ages.
Today I am doing Wakefield's Tales of Wonderment. It's bringing stories to life through the interaction. WordFest is really important. I think the toddler stuff is massively important. I think the earlier children can get interested in books, the better it is for us all.
Today we are here playing Up, Up and Away that tells the story of a hot air balloon in this area, and it's made for kids and for adults. I think story is important because can really make imaginations fly, can really take people to other places, to other moments.
After seeing this WordFest event, we would go to another one. I think it worked on a lot of levels.
I am delivering a session today for WordFest at Stanley Library with 8 to 12-year-olds, and we're going to be exploring characters and places from the past in the Wakefield district. We're going to be writing some poetry about them, and then we're going to be creating soundscapes.
My poem was about me and my dog. I said that Yorkshire is a very inspiring place where we live.
Cherry blossoms remind me of big, shiny pink hearts. I love singing, love dancing and role-playing. I always be nice and be expressive.
So we're taking cooking as a creative skill. So we're encouraging people to be able to cook from scratch, understand recipes, learn some new skills, and then be able to creatively make new dishes, and therefore they can make decisions and changes in what they do that will help their long-term health.
Yeah, and the teaching's really good. They're good instructions to follow. They're good verbalists telling you when to add and when not to add, and it's really enjoyed it.
My name's Catherine Yaff, and I'm the author of the Ziggy Thorne series of crime thrillers, and I have been very lucky to be invited to the Normanton Readers Group this afternoon, where we have sat and chatted about all 4 of my books. It's been like having coffee with your best mates and just reading the books, and it gets authors out from behind their desks so that we can chat to readers, because they ultimately are who we write for, and it just opens up the whole world of literacy and brings it to new audiences.
Today we're looking at our heritage and our stories as part of WordFest, and then visualising this through their own coat of arms. I think that WordFest is a great idea because it brings families together in the local area, and it's all about creativity, and I think that words and literacy are a really important part of that, and it gets the imagination going.
And the Let's Get Cranky workshop is using cranky theatres in order to tell stories of Wakefield district, like the Wise Woman of Wakefield or the Boggart of Horbury. And then we create our own cardboard cranky theatres. So we've got nice little boxes and card and craft materials and drawing materials. And so we'll create our own cardboard cranky theatres, and then you create your own scrolls and you tell your own stories.
So we're here today at West Yorkshire History Centre. We're celebrating the opening of our new exhibition, the John Goodchild collection.
John was the local historian, and his collection is believed to be the largest collection collected by an individual relating to Yorkshire.
So we've got activities on today, we've got all sorts of items on display from the collection.
Today is Roman Day, and we are doing Roman helmets, mosaics and Roman bracelets. It's great for things like footfall, getting people into the library, getting people involved, community spirit. The museum have crafts on, they have object handling, and you can have your hair braided like a Roman.
In Wakefield, we are so lucky to have so much access to the arts. With things like WordFest added to that, there's never a reason to be bored. There's never a reason to, not have anything to do. There's always something going on. You've got to applaud Wakefield Council for that, really.
What did you like?
Everything.